That's an 80-pound bag. Sure you can do it?
They'll do it on the other side. It's going to be easier. When things are heavy, they tear easy.
Yeah, let me hold this in focus.
Maybe I'll smoother this side. David, you can pour the water, David. Well, David, are you going to get the water and pour it? Pour it.
Oh, not too much.
You might need a little more, David. Not too much, just a little bit. There. I'll see if it's enough. This is fun.
I'm glad you like it.
I thought you thought this was the worst part, but I think it's the best part.
Mm-hmm. Get to play in sand. Make mud pies.
You said that's what Wendy and Emily used to do.
Yeah, not with concrete though.
A little more. A drop over here. There. She should have done it over. A little more, David. Come here. Just a little more. There. Whoa.
Not bad for an 8-year-old. You're probably good there.
Just a little more. About time to get the scooping, David. Let's see.
Okay.
That's enough. I'm gonna get the scoop now.
Okay.
Look how rotten this is. Look at that. Look how rotten it is.
We can get to fill blocks today. Yeah, look at those floor joists.
It's pretty bad.
They're all terrible in this house. They didn't even put concrete in the blocks or anchor bolts or anything. Anyway, that's it for now.